At first, get your product image that you want to make a video. So let's suppose this is your product, a casual watch. So save the image, and also we can try with a chips package to make it a video sales ad. Now let's move over to our next tool, which is a very popular tool. You can see Xfield AI, and go to their marketing studio tab, and you can see it's my free account. You can register with any of your Gmail or email, and you don't need to purchase or upgrade your account for the paid account anyway. So here you need to add your product. We add this watch here, and we need to save this product with the name and description. So let's give it a name and a description. Okay. And then click on create product. Okay. And now select this product and click somewhere else. So you can see our product is selected. Now on your left, you can see there is a add reference. This is the feature we're going to use. So here, after you click on add reference, here you can see upload your video. So here we need to give here, we have to give here the product video. I mean the source video of a product, what ad you want to copy. So here we can see we have already downloaded some ads for what we are going to just copy. Okay, you can see there's a very good video for watch, and it's really great. Now we're gonna copy this ad. So select this one, open. Okay, it may take a few moments, but here's the trick is that, okay, select it. Here's the trick. You can clone this ad 15 seconds. Okay. Now you can select the 15-second features here, which part you like for the 15 second, and save it. Now wait for a few minutes. It will load your source video, and when you click continue, it will analyze your source video and your product, and then it will give you a prompt. So basically what everyone do, click here for generate the video, but we are not going to generate the video. We just copy the prompt it gives us. Now we'll visit this website called dola.com or Dola AI. From here we can create videos for sedans. Now as a reference image, we upload our product image and the prompt, and click on create video and choose the ratio of the video, and we can generate maximum 10-second video from here. And the best part is it's absolutely free, and it will take up to 3 to 5 minutes to generate a video for yourself, but basically it takes 2 minutes for myself here. And every day you will get 4 points, 4 to 5 points for creating a video. Okay, our video is ready. Let's see it. Okay, as you can see, it's almost similar like our source video, you can see. And this way you can copy any social ads, any viral ads for your product. You can go over your competition, what it's running ads that get popular, and you can just copy that ad. Now for this one, we also generate an ad. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is the source video. You can see this is a source video, and we got exactly same video for our product here. It's for Lays. It's the chips for Lays, but we got for our chips, Sun chips. You can create as much as you can